be sure to stick around for the next video. I got this Dollar Tree mug and I made my own polyacrylic spray. Had this sitting for about a month now, so hopefully we can sublimate on this. I've been seeing a lot of videos where it's just impossible to sublimate a Dollar Tree mug, and we all wish that can happen. Dollar Tree, put a little poly on your cups, please. Please, put a little poly on your cups.
Well, we ain't stressed out, just good wine. When I look in the mirror, I look fine. Good people, times, and good wine. Good wine, good wine, good wine, good wine.
Welcome back, you guys. Welcome back to another video. My name is Ronice.Chantal, and welcome. I know it's been a minute. I can explain. I mean, it's just gonna be excuses, but there should be no excuse. I should have been uploading for you guys, but I've just been busy. That's all. I'm sorry. But I plan on recording videos every week for you guys. I'm trying to push out 2 videos for you guys, teaching you how to craft, run a business, all that without fail, up until my vendor event that's happening next month or so, which I've been recording the behind the scenes on that, and I'm excited to show you guys the behind the scenes of that because this is my first event. I'm very excited. I've never done anything like this. Besides, I've worked in retail, but I've never worked for myself in a retail shop, if that makes sense, if that makes any sense. But yeah, so that is what I've been working on, just getting all my inventory, materials, how I want to present my shop and all that, how I want to price everything. So yeah, you guys will see that in a video coming up probably next month or so. I'm sorry I've been gone, but I've been trying to keep you guys up to date on my community tab, so be sure to check that out. And I've been uploading shorts, and so I haven't been completely gone. I just haven't made long form videos in a minute. So if you guys like my shirt, it is available at my Etsy, Antisocial Moms Club. I miss you guys so much. I'm just not gonna stop again. But yeah, I'll figure it out. I just gotta learn how to balance everything I have. 9 to 5, my kids, home life, business, YouTube, TikTok. It's a lot. But here, y'all just wanna know what I'm gonna teach you today, which is going to be tumblers. I am going to show you guys how to self-make a tumbler. I made a couple of tumblers off this. It's been really well. I love this thing. It's small, but it works, and I'm going to show you guys how. So yeah, we're going to self-make a tumbler, and I'm going to show you guys what you will need. Alright you guys, so here are the items you will need to self-make a tumbler. So I got my heat gloves right here. Gonna definitely need that because these cups get super hot and you do not want to burn yourself. So for safety, get some heat gloves. You're gonna need some heat transfer tape, some painter's tape. I use this for only the top and bottom of the cup of the tumbler. So painter's tape, your sublimation mug. I got this off of Amazon. It came as like a little gift set, came with straws and like the non-slip bottom for it. Really cute. And you're gonna need your sublimation paper and your sublimation printer, which I have the EcoTank ET2400. So that is the printer I will be using, not my regular standard printer, but the ET2400. That is what you will need. So let's go and get started. I will show you guys how to size your images perfectly for each and every time you sublimate. So let's go to the computer. All right, you guys, so we are in Canva right now. I'm choosing Canva because I have my sizes already set for all my printing needs, for my sublimation needs, for tumblers. But you can also use your Cricut software if you would like to. But this is just easier for me. You can do this in the free version as well. But if you're in the Cricut software, Silhouette, whatever, you just want to make sure that your width is 8.5 and your height is 9.5 every time. That will be the perfect sizing for each and every tumbler, believe me. So that's what I have here. And I'm going to upload the image I want on my cup. Which one, y'all? What y'all want to see? Let's do this purple one. Like that. And I think I'm going to take it an extra step and add my name. We're just gonna go ahead and print. So I'm gonna download this, change this to PDF print, and I'll meet you guys at the Tumbler press.
I know the next morning when the sun goes up, it might be the last day of you and me. You're lying next to me with heavy eyes while I shiver inside with a heavy heart. I know what I've done, and I'm too afraid.
So I'm going to show you guys what's in here, like that. And this would be cool to put your design on and then just repackage it back in this box. So that's pretty cool. So here's the mug. You want to make sure you, of course, take the lid off. Yeah, y'all wouldn't believe that the first time I did not do that. And I had this inside. So make sure you take this out as well. And put those to the side. This is just your grip for the bottom of your cup so it doesn't slide everywhere. So that's pretty cool. So put those two aside. I know some people wipe it off and stuff. I don't really have to do that. It's clean, it's ready. It's already coated, you know, for sublimation, so it's ready to go. For those of you that have the same heat press as me, go ahead and detach this and move this closer to your mug press, like so. So then we want to attach this part of the mug press into, I'm gonna call it the motherboard. Yeah, like that. Screw it in. Turn it on. So I press my mugs at 390 for 60 seconds. So that's all set. We're gonna let that heat up and get our mug ready. All right, you guys, I'm sorry. I don't wanna give you guys any wrong information, so I had to resize this. So you wanna make sure your width is 9.5 and your height is 8.5. So I had it reversed the other way, but these settings will be perfect each and every time. All right, you guys, so I have the correct image printed now. As you can see the difference. Yeah, see, this was too short and this is just right. So we're gonna use this one. What you wanna do is, what I do is I sit my tumbler on the table and I grab the paper put the paper behind the tumbler. Just make sure it's flush on the table and the tumbler together. And then we're gonna start taping. First, you wanna make sure the paper is tight. Once you get that, grab a heat transfer tape. Put it right there. And you want to kind of have like a little overlapping, because that's how you know it's covering, you know, it has the whole image on the tumbler. So that there, nice and tight. Then we want to work on the other side. Pull that paper together. Grab more tape. There you go. Now I'm just gonna add more tapes like in the open spaces right now. Nice and tight. And this will help me, it'll be a guide. So, cause you know, the mug press is like half of the tumbler size. So you wanna use this so you can make sure you get all the sides pressed. So use the tape as your guide as well. Now onto the painter's tape. I'm not gonna add a tape down the middle like I see you're already doing. As long as you get good couple pieces on there, it's tight, you're good to go. So next you want to grab your painter's tape. And I'm just going to use this on the top and bottom of the tumbler. So we'll start with the top. That. Wrap around the cup. Pull it tight. Rip it off. Or cut it off. Painter's tape is strong. Alright. So we got our painter's tape on there. Just gonna go ahead and fold that tape in. Nice and tight. Just like that. And we're gonna do the bottom part. Fold it over. So now we are ready to press. So with the mug press, you want to make sure you don't get the mug on that black part right here. So I'm going to start, push this in. Stop it right about there. All right. So my temperature dropped, so my timer never started, but I was still counting in my head. So now we want to go ahead and open it up. Grab your heating glove, because you see, I don't know if you can see the steam, but it's hot. So we're gonna pull it out. Put it in the other way. So, my trick, I like to press the timer first, then press it in. If you have a heat press that fluctuates in heat, we ain't got time for that. So, it's hot, whether it goes up and down. You don't want it to go all the way to like 200, but no matter what, it's still hot. All right, so now that's done. So we had the tape up top, our heat transfer tape. So now we're gonna turn this mug with the tape facing down, and I'm gonna slide it right back in, and then we'll do the other side. Press my timer, push that in. All right, so now we're gonna flip it to the other side. It's really hot too. Make sure you guys have that heat glove. Please make sure you guys are in the circulated room, open your windows, because this stuff is strong. Do not be enclosed when doing sublimating. Right. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna put on my other heating glove because it's super hot, but so far I think we should be good. You can see it coming through the colors, so that's a good sign. So let's go ahead and rip this baby up. Let's see what we got. Oh, hold on, I don't know if y'all can see me. Hold on now, hold on. Sorry, I'm on the floor. Oh, now. Hold on now. It's a little ghosting. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Hold on now. What? Y'all see that? Look at that. There we have it. See, this is what I was talking about, a little paper residue, but that washes right off. But you guys, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. The only ghosting is at the rim, which is totally okay with me. Like, nobody's really gonna see that. They're gonna look at this beauty. They're gonna look at this. They're gonna be like, where did you get that from? Designs by Ronice, that's where I got it from. This is so cool. So I'll show you guys. You wanna grab your grip and put it on the bottom of the cup. Pull out that paper, stick it on the bottom. There we have it. All right, you guys, so that was a lot of fun. Thank you guys for tuning in. We got our mug, we got our tumbler. I washed it off with just water so far, and look at that. I love the colors. And put my lid on. Got my straw, and it comes with a little cleaner as well. I'll be sure to link this pack I got down below. But cleaner and a straw. And we are ready to take a long walk on the beach. Alright, be sure to stick around for the next video. I got this Dollar Tree mug, and I made my own polyacrylic spray. Had this sitting for about a month now, so hopefully we can sublimate on this. I've been seeing a lot of videos where it's just impossible to sublimate a Dollar Tree mug, and we all wish that can happen. Dollar Tree, put a little poly on your cups, please. Please, just put a little poly on your cups. But we're gonna see if this solution helps. Maybe it won't be for drinking, we'll see. I don't know if you could drink or it's just for decoration, but stick around for the next video. Thank you guys for tuning in.